Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 15th May 2024. In this video, let us find the bullish and bearish trade setups for swing or positional income trades. They are nothing but monthly income trade and weekly income trade. So first let us generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So from our channel, you click on this community tab and then you can access this post. In this post, you have a link that will take you to all the training videos. So I'm clicking on this YouTube link. Now we entered into the playlist supply demand zone price action. So in the supply demand zone price action course, we have all the training videos. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So from the description, please join our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we'll provide an update in the channel or any other important updates also. We will let you know in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation. For monthly income trade, bullish trade setup, entry time frame is daily. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, you need to select the value bullish. Apart from that, 3 filters I am setting. The first filter is P-Ast count should be 0. The last parameter in this page, P-Ast count. So how to make P-Ast count 0? In your entry time frame, our entry time frame is daily. So in daily time frame, I am setting minimum value as 0 and maximum value as 0. That indicates P-Ast count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. We have to trade only on those zones, not pierced. And next, second filter, zone achievement. I am selecting the value VOZ. That means violated opposing zone. Only zones having VOZ only can be tradable zones. And the third parameter, minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. For bullish or bearish trade setup, the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. So with these values, I am filtering the stocks. So we got a very good number of monthly income trade stocks. So I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report. And thereafter I will scroll down in the same report or I will move on to the next reports. So what you need to do, just pause the video and then you can go through all these columns or the stocks, even your interested stocks you can find from this list. Or even using this leg in, base and leg out candle timestamps, you can draw the zones in your charts. After that you can proceed with this video. In case if you don't know how to understand this report, you are not aware of all these columns, report structure and all these abbreviations, please complete lesson 21.1 in our training videos. That is part 1 of lesson 21. So in that video, I have explained each and every column and complete report structure and all these abbreviations in detail. Even I also explained how to draw zone in TradingView, taking the references, timestamps from leg in and leg out and base candle count. So please complete that video. Okay, I'm scrolling down. This list down. So total 29 stocks are filtered. These 29 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So I am going back. For bearish trade setup, entry time frame is daily for monthly income trade, but entry zone should be supply zone for bearish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And the remaining three filters, what we said earlier, they remain same. Now the filters are applied to the supply zone. Earlier they are applied to demand zone because we changed entry zone as supply zone. Now all the three filters are applied to the supply zone. Now let us filter the stocks. So 4 stocks are filtered. These 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup for weekly income trade, entry zone should be demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, now the entry time frame is 75 minutes. So in 75 minutes, we need to select the value as bullish. And the 3 filters, first filter, POS count should be 0. Okay, here, but this time our entry zone is 75 minutes, entry time frame. So in 75 minutes time frame, the minimum value you have to set is 0. And maximum value 0. That indicates zone is not pierced. And zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. So with these parameters, now we are generating the report. Now 17 stocks are filtered. All these 17 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup. So I am going back. For bearish trade setup, weekly income trade entry time frame is 75 minutes, but entry zone should be now supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter in 75 minutes, I am changing the value to bearish. Now all the 3 filters remain same. Now let me generate the report. So 4 stocks are filtered. So these 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for a weekly income trade. So these are the bullish and bearish trade setups. And now in the last report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So these are the stop buffers based on daily ATR. This is the daily ATR value. 15% ATR you have to use it for monthly income trade. 10% ATR you have to use it for weekly income trade. So let me scroll this list down. So each time when I scroll down, I'll be giving only few seconds time. Any of this stock you want to refer, please pause the video. So I'm scrolling this list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.